Hey guys, back again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my animal cam. But before we even start, make sure to subscribe down below, comment down below, and like down below. So, let's get on with the video. I know where all the cats are, but okay. For instance, here's one. Her name is Lola. Hi, Lola. She's a black and white cat, and she has green eyes. Okay, here's my cat. It's named Purdy. She's a gray cat, and she has black eyes. Okay. In my previous video, you could see her. So for the hermit crab, my hermit crab, he's in there. He's always hiding. Let's see if there's any in here. No, just Purdy again. Let's see, any in there? Nope, any in there? Nope. And just a lot of poop. Ugh. Probably one in here. Okay, it's good. You need to go to bed. Here's my dog, Marley. She's deaf. She's a Yorkie. Deaf. She's a Yorkie. Here's my dog, Rocky. He's also a Yorkie. Marley and Rocky are twins. Here's my cat, Busy. He and Purdy are twins. Same exact color, same exact eye color. So now, that's literally all the cats I could find. But I'm looking for, oh yeah. So my dog Maya, she's outside on the porch, but working out some crazy things, you know. So yeah. So thanks for watching. But finally, don't forget to comment down below, like down below, and subscribe down below. Bye.